Alright, final take number 10. Hey guys, what's going on? Ammaar here, back again with another video. Today we're talking about some of my new gear. I got no rules, I count 'em. Alright, so before I start talking about this new gear, I'll just cover like some of the stuff what I'm going to be doing for the coming like 4 or 5 months. And so like the biggest thing that I'm going to be doing is like a vlog, which will be published by the end of August, since I won't have internet access and my laptop isn't as powerful enough to edit even 1080p video. So, you know, like around September, definitely be expecting that. And there's going to be a DaVinci Resolve tutorial. That's the video editor that I use personally. There'll be a tutorial on that. Hopefully we can also get another R6 montage in before school starts or during school. I mean, just like the first month or so. I don't think it'll be that bad. Yeah, and then hopefully we can have like another vlog somewhere. I'll try to vlog as much as I can if we go somewhere interesting. I might split up that one vlog into a couple of like episodes, so it might be split up. But yeah, so let's talk about some gear. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to talk about today is this Ulanzi U-Rig Pro, which is like a smartphone rig for your cell phone. The biggest reason for me for getting this is because I wanted to dabble into like cinematic sequences. As you've seen with like Orion X before, Orion X 2.0, and even the 1.0 version. I really like... Okay. I really like making cinematic sequences. This rig really helps because there are like 2 massive handles on either side. Instead of holding by 4 fingers, you're holding by like 2 like entire hands and you're like gripping the case. There's also 4 1/4 inch tripod threads. There's one at the bottom, there's one at the right, and there's 2 at the top, as you can see right there. There's also 3 cold shoe mounts, which is why I also got the LED, which we'll talk about in a second. But yeah, so like the mount for it is really stable. It uses like a kind of like a screw joint right here. You can remove it and stuff. And it's pretty like, you know, the tension for the mount feels really sturdy, and it doesn't feel like it's gonna break or anything. There's like lawnmowers going in the background. I'm really sorry about that. I like the material. It's like soft silicone. This is a video where I was just walking toward a window and I used like my phone just by itself without the rig, and I used the rig by itself, just the rig, only just walking down, like trying to get closer to a window. Walking slowly. Both cases I had my knees on the floor. I had my knees like I was crouching. S9 footage without the rig, it's like kind of shaky and it doesn't look like as cinematic if you're trying to get like those really smooth shots. With this rig, with this $15 rig, you know, it made a big difference. I didn't use like warp stabilizer or any of post-production like stabilization. I just used this one rig. It made a pretty big difference. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything to know about this rig. Let's move on to the light. Alright guys, so moving on to the light. This light was kind of like a second thought to the rig. I wanted something to go along with it that would help me like in, especially in low light, because this camera, like generally all smartphone cameras, they struggle in low light, and I also stutter a lot. These definitely struggle in low light, but with this really powerful LED, like you can see a footage here. So this was footage, this is a 49 LED, and this is footage. But there's no other light source coming through my room. I turned up the LED to the lowest setting, and you can see how much brighter it already is. And if we look at the clip of the max brightness of this LED, it's pretty bright. And it's a really harsh light, so it's not the best thing in the world, but definitely like if you're just trying to vlog and you're trying to like just see your subject, I think this light's a really good one. There's a cold shoe mount bottom along with the 1/4 inch thread, and this goes seamlessly with this rig right here. You can just slide it in, screw it on, you're ready to go. Both directions. You can have it in selfie mode or vlogging mode. You can have it in videography mode. There's also 3 additional cold stream mounts around this LED. There's one on the top, there's 2 on the sides. It's powered by 2 AA batteries that can be rechargeable if you get rechargeable batteries, I guess, but it's not really rechargeable in the sense that you just plug in like a cable or anything. The power button isn't actually a button. It took me a while to figure that out, but it was not actually a button. It's like a slider that controls the brightness of it. So overall, it's pretty simple for like $13. I think it's a pretty good deal just for starting out. And yeah, I think that's it for the LED. So in conclusion, I think both of these make really good starting out kits for anyone that's just trying to step up like their videography game, where you don't have like a DSLR or like a point and shoot or anything. You just have your phone. You know, like people always say that the best camera is always the one you have with you. It definitely is really versatile, you know, stabilization wise, tripod wise, like mounting it to a tripod, adding on a microphone, adding on other accessories. These cold stream mounts are pretty universal, so you can find like microphones like, you know, the Rode VideoMic Pro and Takstar SGC 598. I might review that. And yeah, I think I'll definitely be using this for vlogging videos, you know, just stuff like just videos like that for this channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video, which hopefully will not be 3 months long this time. I really hope it's not. It doesn't take 3 months. Okay, I should probably go do my homework right now. Peace.